Hi, my name is Spencer Miliato. I'm going to be walking you through the 2022 STEP Student Research Poster Competition registration process. So here you are, you're already on the registration Google form. I've already read through the instructions, but let's start on our way through the rest of them. So first we're going to start by filling out our email. Use my email here. Okay. And this first question, nice and easy. I've read and understand the research poster competition submission guidelines. So there's this helpful document that has everything you're going to need. Give it a second to load. Okay. So it has the list of all the digital video requirements. It has, that's both format and content. It has a list of all the research poster requirements, same thing, format and content. And then it goes through the submission process, which we're also going through right now. And it has a list of tips and tricks for you in case those would be helpful. So I have read and understand the research poster competition submission guidelines. I'm going to hit yes. And now for institution name, I'm just going to use, just for the sake of argument here, the University at Buffalo. And the project coordinator is Renee Mapp. And the telephone number is 829-2802. 6 in front, of course. Okay. And student presenter information, I already filled it in previously. I'm using myself as an example. So Spencer Miliato, grade 12. If there's additional students, you know, 2, grade 11, etc. Poster presentation. So the example we're going to be using throughout this tutorial is COVID effects on long-term memory. So COVID effects on long-term memory is my poster presentation title, and it's going to be in the senior division because the 2 students that we have as an example are grade 11 and 12, so senior division. For the poster category, I've selected biological and life sciences. So now we get to the actual file submission process. So you need 4 things in order to submit to this Google form. You need the research poster abstract. You need a photo of the student presenters in front of the poster. You need a video of the actual student presenters giving the presentation. And then you need the poster. So first we're going to start with the abstract. I've already downloaded the abstract file. So I'm going to click add file, and it's going to pull up the insert file page, and I'm going to click select files from your device. Now it defaults to the downloads page, and it actually locks it in so you can only select Word documents. So just to show you though, my downloads folder does have all 4 files I'm going to need. So this is my downloads folder. It has all 4 files, but in the actual submission, you can only select the Word document. So I'm going to select the Word document. It's formatted as the guidelines suggest, with the institution name, the title of the presentation, and then the date, and then of course the format of the file, which is a Word file. So I'm going to hit open. It's going to take a second to upload, and there we go. So that was our abstract Word document. We just submitted it. Now, digital photo. This is the photo of the student presenters in front of the research poster. So that's going to be a photo. And I'm going to go into my downloads folder. Again, I have all 4 files in my downloads folder, but Google won't let me select anything that is not an image. So I'm going to select this image. It is the institution name, poster title, and the date. .jpeg, so that is one of the image file formats. So that is acceptable. I'm going to click open and then upload. Take a second. There we go. There is the image of the student presenters in front of the poster that has been attached. Now we're going to attach the digital video submission. So this is going to be a video file in an MP4 format. So I'm going to click add file, same as before, select files. Again, it only lets you submit video files. So here we go, institution name, title of presentation, date.mp4. Click open and upload. This upload process, because it's a video, is going to take a little bit, but just hold on. The last is the actual poster itself. So I'm going to click add file and now select files from your device as we've done before. Again, All 4 files are in my downloads folder, but it only shows the PowerPoint because that's the only thing I can accept. The poster itself has to be a PowerPoint file. So it has to end in .pptx. So there you go. You've got the institution name, the name of the actual project, the date, and pptx. So we're going to open, upload, and there we go. So now just looking through it, you can see the abstract we have attached. It's a Word document. And if you highlight it, it'll tell you the name of the file. Now you also see the photo of the student presenters in front of the poster. You see that attached, .jpeg, perfect. You see the video submission that is attached. You see it's MP4, and you see the PowerPoint file that is the poster, and that's also attached. And then we're just going to go and hit submit. Okay, and it says a copy of your responses will be emailed to the address you provided. And there we go, your response has been recorded.